Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can get $300 free money with Flagstar Bank and the sign-up bonus requirements to get it. We'll go ahead and get started here with the availability for this sign-up bonus. You can get this bonus in Arizona, California, Indiana, Florida, Michigan, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, and Wisconsin. The link to apply for the $300 sign-up bonus offer is here. You can copy and paste that or tap that in your web browser. Or if you have a smartphone, you can just scan this QR code and it'll take you directly to the link. The offer is check sensitive. There is a soft pull. There's no credit card funding, no monthly fees. There's a limit of one checking bonus per household. Now, I did go ahead and try to apply online tonight. It was a fairly straightforward process. There is an identification process at the initial page where you enter your phone number and they text you a message just to verify it. And that's pretty straightforward. Nothing out of the ordinary there. This offer does expire February 28th, 2025. Flagstar Bank is FDIC insured up to at least $250,000. They do offer online and mobile banking with 24/7 free access to your credit score. You will need to open a ready checking account with $50 or more within the first 90 days for this offer. Going forward, you'll need to enroll in e-statements for this sign-up offer, or otherwise you'll have a $3 monthly maintenance fee for these statements. You'll need to set up one or more direct deposits, ACH credits, totaling $500 or more in the first 90 days. Within the first 90 days of account funding, which is the bonus period, you must maintain an average daily balance of $500 or more in order to receive the bonus. There is an early account closure fee, and reclamation of bonus may be imposed for accounts closed within 180 days. If you have been paid a checking to cash bonus previously, you are ineligible to receive this offer, and the offer cannot be combined with any other offers or promotions. I am taking that directly from the terms and conditions on the sign-up page, and they're at the very bottom if you want to look at them. Flagstar employees are not eligible for the offer. The offer is subject to change or cancellation at any time without notice. Receiving the offer doesn't guarantee your eligibility. All account applications are subject to your normal approval process. The checking account does have a round-out feature. It is optional. You're not required to enroll. But once you are enrolled, they do round up your debit card purchases to the nearest whole dollar and transfer the difference from your associated checking account to your eligible savings account to be credited at the end of each day. The $300 sign-up bonus is paid out as a bonus 91 to 104 days after initial deposit is made to the new account under account funding. The $300 sign-up bonus will be reported as taxable income to the IRS by Flagstar Bank. So you can expect to get a 1099. If not, you want to track that and make sure you take care of the taxes on the sign-up bonus. They do have an elevated offer with the same sign-up link provided on the first page. It's for $500. It's called the Elite Checking. However, that account does have a $15 monthly service charge if a monthly combined daily average balance of $25,000 is not maintained. Just as a data point, I did try to apply for this offer back in April of last year, and I was denied, and it does appear to be pretty check sensitive. So I was just thinking that if if you can wait in between applications for checking sign-up bonuses and try to apply in person, that may make a difference in getting yourself approved. So if you enjoy this content, you have any questions or comments and want to reach out to me, feel free to let me know. My email address is org58@gmail.com. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you guys watching, and you have a good evening. Thank you.